Alright, what is going on, guys? So today I want to work on the Saleen Spoiler. I want to get the brake light off, I want to clean it up, and I think I want to try wrapping it. Maybe. I'm gonna see. I don't want to waste material, but I don't think it should be too bad, so I'm gonna give it a try. So the wing is a bit dirty and it's painted mineral gray. Funny thing enough, this is actually my friend's first Saleen wing off his basically Cobra clone, which he has turned into pretty much a full Terminator at this point. So it's mineral gray with a black stripe. So I'm gonna wrap over this. It's in pretty much good shape. Anything that's rough, I'm just gonna sand so it's flat. And I'm gonna take this third brake light out and get started. All right, so I just pulled the third brake light out. We're gonna put that off to the side. And I guess I'm just gonna start cleaning this thing up. It's just dirty, dusty from sitting around, so let's do that. All right, so I just cleaned the wing up a bit. You can see there's still a ding right there. There's a few little spots here and around, so I'm gonna dry it off, and I'm just gonna use this sandpaper here to go ahead and make sure that this thing is nice and even, because whenever you're wrapping a vehicle or body panel, you will be able to see every individual basically piece or anything that's under the wrap. Alright, so I got the wing cleaned up and sanded. Any imperfections that were on it, it was mostly clean, but it looks like it had a few spots that was banged up, being stored and moved around and driven, of course. So I just sanded anything that was uneven. Sorry, Sebastian, if you're watching this. I know it hurts. You got it painted a long time ago. So I'm gonna prepare to wrap it, I guess. Alright, so here is the wrap, and I still have a good amount of this left. So hopefully, oh, okay, it's not ripped. That's just extra material. So I should be able to get a large piece, and it should be able to cover this whole thing in all in one piece. I also grabbed my heat gun, which I have right there, which will help get some of the edges down. And depending on how this goes, I might try to fix the bubbles on Turdzilla, which I know you guys have been talking about. Unfortunately, Turdzilla has a lot of body imperfections, which is why I went with sanding on this spoiler to try to get a nice clean surface. Turdzilla had a lot of issues, so that's why it's coming up, as well as it's sat multiple times in the heat and the Florida sun, which can really heat that up and kind of pull the wrap up. If it wasn't on the surface really that well to begin with, you know, the paint not being very, very great in the body. So that can happen sometimes, but if this goes well, I might give it a try, use the heat gun a little bit on the car and see if that works. All right, well, I have a piece that is cut to size, I think. I'm gonna give it a go. I don't know how well it goes. It will go, but I'm hoping for the best. I've done my prep work, so now let's see if I'm a wrapper or not. I will say, wrapping is a lot harder than I was expecting. But we're making progress. It looks really bad at this point, but it should get better, right?
Can't get any worse. Right here. It's the bottom box.
Oh, cool. Status update. Heat gun helps a lot. Feeling a little better right now. Making good progress, man. This video is gonna be cool, going from the crumpled mess I started with. For those wondering, it's a OEM Saleen wing. It's all legit. We have made some serious progress. Alright, so we're making progress again. The underneath is actually much harder than the top to wrap. Alright, well, that is it. We're gonna let it dry and make sure it, you know, kind of adheres to everything. Scott's taking off. Huge shout out to him for helping wrap this thing. Got kind of way in over my head. It's definitely a difficult thing to wrap, but I mean, at this point it's pretty much done, so just gotta let it dry. Alright guys, well, I didn't even end up filming the install of the Saleen Spoiler, but here it is. Wrapping is not easy. I have the car jacked up for another reason that you guys find out. later, but the wing is on. I'm super excited about it. It looks awesome. Not perfect at all, but I think it looks killer. I wish I got some shots of this before I jack the car up, but I'm super happy with it. I'll give you guys some shots later of what this thing looks like, but I think it looks really good. Wrapping, not easy. I don't suggest trying it yourself, but there it is. Alright guys, so I didn't film an outro to this video, and I really do apologize. I wish I got more shots of the Saleen Spoiler. So basically we finished installing that. This was actually done over like a 2-week process because it was 2 days to basically wrap, or 2 nights. It took a very long time to wrap. And you know, it is a very difficult thing. It's not perfect at all. I really love the Saleen Spoiler. I know in that last clip, it actually doesn't look that good, but it does look really good in person. And these 2 photos that I just showed you, it does look really good. I know a lot of people are gonna either hate it or love it. That is a Saleen Spoiler. That's usually how it goes. But definitely, you know, take a look. Let me know what you think. Making this video, I know there's gonna be a lot of people who love it, and there's gonna be a lot of people who say it looks like crap. So anyway guys, let me know what you think, and you know, I'm open to hear, you know, if you like it or love it, or you hate it. You know, I just knew putting this on the car is, you know, it's gonna be a mixed opinion, but I'm really passionate about it. I've always wanted a car with one of these Saleen Spoilers. So yeah, I'm happy with it, and make sure you slap that like button down below, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys next time.